In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to blur faces in Kdenlive. Whether you're working on a professional project or just want to protect someone's identity in your footage, this method will ensure that the subject remains confidential with just a few simple steps. Let's dive right in. First, start by opening your project in Kdenlive and select the clip where you wish to apply motion tracking. This is an essential first step, as setting your sights on the right clip lays the groundwork for successful editing. Now head over to the effects panel. This is where the magic happens. In the search bar, type in Motion Tracker to locate the effect. Once you've found it, drag and drop it onto the clip you're working with in your timeline. This action will apply the motion tracker to your video, setting up the foundation we need for blurring faces. After applying the motion tracker effect, you'll notice a tracker point appearing on your video. Your task is to adjust the size of this point and position it over the primary object or face that you want to track. Get it centered and sized just right to ensure accurate tracking throughout the clip. Within the effect settings, you'll discover several options at your disposal, such as tracker algorithm, keyframe spacing, and frame shape, among others. Adjust these settings according to your specific requirements. Although it might seem a bit overwhelming, take a moment to experiment with these settings. This step ensures that your tracker is optimized to follow the object smoothly. When it comes to blurring, you'll need to increase the blur size and choose Gaussian blur to soften the object's appearance effectively. Gaussian blur is particularly useful because of how smoothly it blends, giving your project a professional finish. Next, you'll want to click on Analyze to get the tracking process started. Be patient, as this might take some time depending on the clip's length and complexity. During this analysis, Kdenlive is doing the heavy lifting of tracking the motion in your video. Once the process is complete, take a moment to preview your video. This step is crucial to ensure that the motion tracking is smooth and accurately follows the object or face as it moves. If, after previewing, you notice any imperfections or the tracking isn't quite right, don't worry. You can refine the tracking data by adjusting points or retracking specific frames as needed. This refinement helps you achieve a seamless look. And that's it. Now you know how to create motion tracking in Kdenlive and blur faces effectively. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more editing tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.